Decoding the Phrasal Verb Look Into, Common Pitfalls Unraveled. Hello language learners. Today we're going to dive deep into one particular English phrasal verb that often gets misinterpreted: look into. Phrasal verbs can be quite tricky, but once you get the hang of them, they can significantly enrich your English language skills. Remember, mastery lies in understanding and overcoming common mistakes. Before we discuss the common mistakes, let's clarify what look into actually means. The phrasal verb look into means to investigate or examine a situation or problem closely. For example, if your car is making strange noises, a mechanic might say, "I'll look into it," meaning they will examine the problem to find out what's wrong. Now, let's move on to some common misconceptions and mistakes associated with look into. 1. Literal interpretation. The first common mistake is to interpret look into literally. It does not mean physically looking into a box or a room, for example. It is a figurative expression for examining or investigating something. 2. Using it in place of looking forward to. Another common error is confusing look into with looking forward to. Remember, looking forward to means anticipating or being excited about something. It's not the same as investigating. 3. Incorrectly substituting other phrasal verbs. Another common error is substituting look into with other phrasal verbs like look after or look for. Remember, each phrasal verb has a unique meaning. Look after means to take care of someone or something, and look for means to seek or search for something or someone. To avoid these mistakes, here are some tips. 1. Context matters. Pay close attention to the context in which the phrasal verb is used. Context often provides clues about the correct meaning. 2. Practice. Use look into in your conversations and writings. The more you practice, the more familiar you'll become with its correct usage. 3. Learn from examples. Look at examples of look into in sentences. This can help you understand its usage better. And that wraps up our deep dive into the phrasal verb look into. We've discussed its meaning, common misconceptions, and tips to avoid these pitfalls. Remember, mastering English requires patience and practice, but every step you take brings you closer to fluency. So keep learning, keep practicing, and you'll master these tricky phrasal verbs in no time. See you in the next video.